Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Mazda CX-9. Stock number is A6775. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Bridgestone tires. Inside, leather interior. You have second row and third row seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. Swinging around to the back end now, you have dual point exhaust, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Power adjustable seats. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are mounted here. Full stereo, that includes your CD player. Dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.